News, media, and devices. How do we know these are true? Well, to find out, I went around, searched, and asked business owners what they thought.
Anything that takes the truth and twists it to fit a certain narrative.
Fake news is news which is untrue.
So fake news to me is telling people misleading information and just not being honest and truthful.
I also wanted to see why true news is so important to them.
Very important. It keeps people knowledgeable of what's actually happening.
The importance of truthful news is that it's giving people actual data and actual facts that they can base their decisions off of.
To give people non-biased answers about what's happening in the world and current events.
What I found out was no one really likes fake news. No one wants to get lied to, they just want the truth, and that's it.